Hi, I'm Ben Zwickle, and welcome to this screencast on combining plots of data and functions in Mathematica. So I've already given us some data here to import, and I've called it data. And I've also prepared a list plot to execute, so this is a list plot of that same data just imported. And I've given this plot a name, because you have to give it a name typically when combining plots. And I've also prepared a plot for us to execute. So this is a function plot, is the name I've given it, and it's over the same range of x values as the data plot. So we can combine those two using the function show, and it's used to combine any two graphics in Mathematica. So we say show data plot function plot. And it did combine the two plots, but unfortunately it used the range of the data plot, which meant it cut off the negative values in the function plot. So what would happen if we reversed the order of those? So if we say function plot, data plot, now what we have is the plot range is that of the function plot, and we're clipping off part of the data plot. So either way, we're going to have to do something about this. So one solution, and the easiest, is just to say plot range all. And there we have both plots. The key principle at work here is that whatever the first plot here sets the plot options for the whole show statement. So in this case, if we add an option to function plot, like frame true, so we give it a frame around the plot, and now we go to combine function plot and data plot, we get a framed plot. But if we were to reverse the order again and put data plot first, which did not have that option, the frame disappears. Alright, so there's two important things to remember when you use the show statement. So the show statement uses the first plot's options when determining style. So in this statement, whatever the plot style of function plot is, that will be applied to the whole show statement of the combined plot. And second, you can actually set the combined plot style using options in show. So initially we just used this plot range all option, but we can do other things like set the frame to be true, axes to be false, add a label style to change the font style and size, put labels on the frame, and also to change the overall image size. So if I execute that, what I get is a large image with the entire plot range, labels on the axes, 18-point Arial font, no axes in the middle, and a frame. And that's all there is to combining plots using the show statement.